Hey there, dance and health enthusiast. Today, we're diving into a truly inspiring initiative that's bringing the beauty of ballet to aged care, with a unique twist. Get ready to be amazed by the power of movement and its impact on our lives. Imagine a world where graceful ballet movements become a tool for healing and empowerment, especially for our beloved older adults. That's exactly what Lisa Purchas, a passionate dance teacher from Claremont, has created with her innovative program, Ballet for You. Lisa's journey began with a personal tragedy, the loss of her mother to Alzheimer's disease. Determined to honor her mother's memory, she developed a program that goes beyond traditional dance classes. Ballet for You is designed to improve the lives of those with mild cognitive impairment and early-stage Alzheimer's, focusing on balance, posture, and strength through modified ballet exercises. But it doesn't stop there. Ballet for You has evolved to include seated classes for all elderly participants, regardless of their care setting. The program's accessibility and gentle approach have brought joy and confidence to older adults, proving that movement can be a powerful tool for emotional well-being. Now, Lisa is taking her initiative to the next level with an upcoming workshop, the Ballet for You Teachers Workshop. This full-day event will bring together dance teachers, physiotherapists, and occupational therapists to explore the intersection of ballet and aged care. Attendees will learn a range of exercises, from seated routines to bar-based movements, and delve into the science behind movement and memory. They'll also receive a comprehensive resource pack, ensuring they can continue to spread the benefits of Ballet for You. What makes this workshop truly special is the opportunity to learn from Lisa herself and other experts in the aged and geriatric care sectors. It's a unique chance to gain insights and skills that can make a real difference in the lives of older adults. So, if you're passionate about dance, aged care, or simply want to make a positive impact, this workshop is a must-attend event. It's a chance to be part of a movement, pun intended, that's transforming lives through the power of ballet. Remember, Ballet for You is more than just a dance program, it's a step towards improving the quality of life for older Australians. For more information and to book your spot, reach out to Lisa Purchas. Her contact details are right there in the description. I hope to see you there, and together, we can continue to spread the magic of Ballet for You.